My name is Matt Larsen. I'm the CEO of Vistabeam. So we started Vistabeam in 2004, and the goal was to start out providing a really good wireless broadband service to places that didn't have anything. Since that time, we've taken it, expanded it from 3 towers around Scottsbluff, Nebraska, to now we have 270 towers all over Wyoming, Nebraska, and Colorado.
We have grown. That's probably the biggest thing that's changed. I don't think the passion for excellence has changed. I don't think our passion for customer service has changed. I don't think that the basic mission of what we do, which is delivering service to anyone that wants it, no matter where it is or how hard it is to get there, how remote or how crazy it might seem to someone else. So I don't think any of that's changed.
The ability to adapt and change to our environment is one of the most important things that I think relates to our success. From the very start, getting into wireless was an adaptation because there were shortcomings in the way that the wired infrastructure was set up in rural areas. So we adapted by going to wireless.
Because of being a cutting edge technological business, everything changes every day. And so for anyone that doesn't like to get bored and likes new things and likes to learn new things, this is a great opportunity because they're constantly improving the technology.
Yeah, I think the pride starts here. It starts from you guys going out, doing the tower work, setting up the towers, you guys doing the installations. Our standard is set pretty high, and everyone takes pride in that type of work.
That's probably where we're the most competitive, is always trying to make sure that our work is the best, that it's better, that it's higher quality. So there's a lot of pride in absolutely doing the best work.
I'm really proud of the culture that we have here. The idea of kind of watching each other's backs, trying to hold people accountable, and that idea of everybody wants to be responsible. I think we've been very fortunate to get some of the very capable people that we have that have a really good work ethic and have just made fantastic contributions to our company over the years.